Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we are going to prepare a delicious iftar special recipe which is chicken keema pakoras. These mini pakoras are soft, juicy and exceptionally addictive. Just 15 minutes and your yummy chicken keema pakoras are ready if you have all the ingredients at home. Let's see how to prepare these pakoras. For the recipe, in a mixing bowl, take 250 grams of minced chicken. To this, add 1 onion, 1 green chili and few coriander leaves. Finely chop them together and take this 1 cup of it and transfer them to the minced chicken bowl. You can see these are very finely chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, some salt to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour. Now mix everything. If you want these pakoras to be crispy, add some rice flour to the batter and mix well all the ingredients. Now take the prepared batter, shape as small balls as shown in the video. Heat oil for deep fry. Take the prepared batter, shape as balls and drop them slowly in the hot oil. Turn them slowly to cook completely on all sides. Deep fry them in the oil until they turn golden brown in color. You can adjust the spiciness of the pakoras as per your taste in the recipe. As you can see now, our chicken pakoras are ready. Now let's transfer them to the serving plate. Isn't this a simple recipe? Chicken keema pakoras have their unique taste. You can have these pakoras for evening snack with a cup of tea or as an appetizer. Serve them hot with tomato sauce or mint chutney. Do try and let us know in comments how it turns. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!